The world's largest COVID-19 lockdown is now in effect for India's more than 1.3 billion people. The Indian Prime Minister giving just 4 hours notice until the lockdown came into effect overnight, saying nobody will be allowed to leave their homes for the next 3 weeks to break the cycle of coronavirus infection. Police barricaded roads to restrict movement. The government had already shut down all air and train travel, businesses and schools. The new sweeping lockdown ordered as India confirmed roughly 500 COVID-19 cases, but the real number is likely much higher. Testing is limited, and health experts warn the densely populated country could face an explosion of infections. The country's public health system is already strapped for resources, with far fewer hospital beds than Italy, one of the country's outbreak epicenters. Stores selling food, along with other essential services, do remain open. And while people are being told to leave their home only if absolutely necessary, the ban hasn't stopped crowds from rushing to markets to stock up. Some are risking fines and other penalties for violating the lockdown. Police also enforcing the ban with violence and ordering push-ups as punishment. But there is help going out to the poor and daily wage earners who don't have the resources to stock up supplies, with officials handing out free food to those in need. From a look at how the second biggest country in the world in terms of population is dealing with the global pandemic, to how COVID-19 is affecting one single person on our planet. Prince Charles has tested positive for coronavirus. The 71-year-old heir to the British throne is now self-isolating in Scotland with mild symptoms. His wife, Camilla, the Duchess of Cornwall, has also been tested but does not have the virus. According to Clarence House, it's not possible to know for sure who the prince caught the virus from because of the high number of people he's come into contact with in recent weeks while carrying out his royal duties. The last time Charles saw his mother, Queen Elizabeth, was on March 12th, before it's believed he was infectious. Buckingham Palace says the 93-year-old British monarch is in good health at Windsor Castle. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.